250k in payouts. Down, up, grab liquidity, and then go up. Namaste. 50k to pay off my debts. 100k as a rainy day fund. Let's say 1 year of salary that I want to save. 100k as my personal trading account. Okay, because I don't want to rely on prop firms forever. I want to have my own fund that I'm trading. That's the goal. That's the journey to 250k in payouts. That's what I want to achieve. That's what's going to give me financial freedom. That's what's going to give me my dream of working for myself, of being able to be financially free. In terms of actual trading, less is more. My goal is 2 to 3 hours per week with a $250 risk on a funded account and $500 risk on a eval account. And the goal is to get to 20 eval accounts paying me $2,000 each per month, which will give me 40k per month. But if they take 90% of the pay times 40k, so that will aim me at 40 times 0.9, 36k per month. Okay, that's kind of like the first goal. Currently I have one funded account with my funded futures, one account with Apex that's almost funded. I am about 300 away from being funded, so I hope I will pass that one. Also two my funded futures evals, and so these two evals I'm trying to trade them regularly, like regular accounts, but also for Apex account I want to accelerate the rate at which I'm passing these evals. So for the Apex accounts where you can pass on 1 day, these accounts I will be expediting them. I will link in the video the tutorial that Ash Capital did with Kim Investco. You will see the exact strategy that I use. I will not go into deep detail about the strategy. You can go look at the video. It's very detailed, very organized, and you can see how you can, it's almost like a 50-50 shot whether you pass it or you fail it during trading news. That's the financial dream. But in terms of fitness as well, I have been, for the past 6 months I've been completely obsessed with trading, guys. So I kind of quit jiu-jitsu, quit working out, I quit being on a good diet, having a good eating style. I was just eating out, being lazy about that because I was completely obsessed and focused on trading. But that's not good. So health wise, I'm currently at 172 pounds, guys, and probably, let's say, 23% body fat. That's way too much, way too much. So my goal is to lower my body fat up to, let's say, 13% body fat, right? So I gotta lose 10% body fat. 10% of 172 pounds is 17.2 pounds, which will roughly get me to 155 pounds. 17 pounds, that probably gonna take me 17 weeks, so 4 months. But I think it's doable. Hopefully by the time I'm financially free in 4 months, I am also at my dream body weight and my dream look. That's the journey. Hopefully you come join me. That's what I'm working towards. All right, guys, so that's the context of what I want to achieve. This is the journey to 250k in payouts from prop firms. Hopefully along the way losing some body fat as well and eating clean. But I hope you'll be joining me. I will, instead of doing trade breakdowns every day, I will break down quickly the trades that I took in these weekly vlogs, and we'll go from there. I'm getting really good at staying out of trades. Like Monday, if I didn't see an opportunity, I stay out. I'm not forcing anything. Yesterday, if I was unsure, I'm getting good at reducing the risk and just not putting as much on the table. And then today, even though I lost, I'm feeling pretty comfortable. Didn't want have the need to revenge trade and find another trade to take. But yeah, so in terms of psychology, I'm feeling pretty calm. Let's do the trade review and then we hit the gym. This week is probably gonna be the only day I'll be able to hit the gym. Tomorrow I got a doctor's appointment, so I'll probably not trade. The weekend will be pretty cool. I'm going to a dance event again, so hopefully I'll have some footage of that. It will be very bad sleep, but a lot of fun. Alright guys, namaste. It'll probably be a short trade breakdown. But yesterday's trade, that was a win, but I only risked half R. So my win was 1R instead of 2R. As you can see here, we are in a consolidation, right? And we went down, up, grab liquidity, and then go up, right? So when I see that we're going to Asian highs and London highs. That's my trade idea. So we're probably going to go long once we grab that liquidity. And the entrance appeared itself, the entry appeared itself on NQ. So down, up, down, break a block, fair value gap, right? We displace, we go up with displacement, tap into it, boom, to R. Great setup. Unfortunately, I only risk half R for 1R return. That's why I break even this week, because today's trade that we're gonna go into right now. All right, this trade was just a bad execution, man. Not bad execution, bad read of the market. Good execution, but bad read of the market. If you look here, we have this high right here, right? So we're grabbing liquidity to go down, okay? So around here, we grab liquidity to go down, but instead of looking for shorts, I was looking for longs at this point. So in terms of the execution, I have everything in what I need to enter the trade, but my bias was wrong, okay? So the execution was we go down, up, down, liquidity grab, up with displacement, right? So I'm expecting to tap into this and go up, but clearly, I don't know. It was just a bad read, guys. We grabbed this liquidity to go down here, right? But I don't know why I had a bias here that was bullish. Wrong decision. We live and learn, but break even for the week, which is not too bad. Hopefully tomorrow's trade gives us something, to go green. But otherwise, I'm looking forward to the dance party. That's really honestly I want to go do. Yeah, Wednesday ended up being the only day I was able to get a workout in, with so many doctor's appointments and the dance event on the weekend. But that was a really great workout with some good dinner at the end. I was feeling really good after this. Hopefully next week we can get back on the grind and develop some more consistency at the gym and in my morning practices, to balance all this sitting that I've been doing, during work, my 9 to 5, working from home, editing videos from my desk, and also, trading from my desk as well. It's a lot of sitting, a lot of being static, and draining mentally, that I haven't been wanting to go work out as much. All right, Thursday morning. I'm not trading this morning because I have an appointment at the internal medicine doctor's office. Apparently, there's something. My white blood cell count is low. Hopefully, that's nothing scary. After yesterday's loss, I feel like I was rushing a little bit, and today I want to get back to feeling settled, feeling confident. If something is very clear and I'm not forcing anything, then I'll take a trade. Otherwise, there's always tomorrow. All right, just got done at the doctor's. Gonna have to do some blood tests to see what's going on, but so far from his feedback, everything is looking great. So all right, namaste. Friday night. Today I took a trade, broke even on it. Not too bad. Ending the week breaking even. Now it's Friday night. the weekend we party. I'm going to a Kizomba event, a dance event, where we'll be dancing all night, guys. Dancing all weekend long. Hopefully, I'll be able to share some footage. The only issue is I probably will not get a lot of sleep, and I will probably eat really, really bad because it's a little unhealthy going out and dancing all weekend, to be honest. Dancing all day, dancing all night, not getting much sleep, and then the body just wants some junk food. If I do end up eating some junk food, I'll post it here just for accountability. But I'm looking forward to just relaxing for the weekend now before next week. Um, One of the lessons I need to learn this week, the biggest lesson is consistency, you know? Just like your Yoga Sutra says, you have to practice for a long time without interruption and reverence. I'm definitely doing that in my trading. I'm very, very, very satisfied with my trading journey. The way I show up is great. I love that I show up every day with persistence, with patience. But in the other areas of my life right now, it's not there. In my morning practices, I'm supposed to be waking up and doing my meditation and some yoga to stretch because I'm at my desk all day because I'm working 9 to 5 from home. I am trading from my desk, and then I'm editing videos all night at my desk again. So that's a lot of sitting, not a lot of movement. I'm not going to the gym too much lately, so I definitely gotta get my consistency with my diet, with my workout, and with my morning routine before I start trading. So that's the aim for next week. We'll do the trade breakdown. Hope you enjoy the dance footage, and I'll see you next week. Namaste.